Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to our guide on Christmas tree centerpieces decoration ideas. In today's videos, we will show you how to create stunning, versatile clay centerpieces that will elevate your holiday decor and impress your guests. Whether you are looking for something elegant, rustic, or tray centerpieces are a fantastic option for your centerpieces Christmas tablescape. We will also share some tips to help you create a show-stopping centerpieces that perfectly complements your holiday theme. So let's dive into these festive design. Let's start with the timeless classic tray centerpieces decoration ideas. For this design, you will want a sturdy decorative tray like wood or metal or as the base. Start by layering evergreen branches or a garland around the tray to create the iconic Christmas look. Then add a few red and gold ornaments for a pop of color. You can include pillar candles in the center to bring warmth and glow to your table. For the finishing touch, tuck in a few pine cones and perhaps some small festive figurines like Santa, reindeer, and to capture these classic holiday charm. And then secondly, if you love a cozy rustic vibe, a rustic tray centerpiece is the way to go. This style is perfect for farmhouse inspired Christmas look. Choose a wooden tray or something with a vintage distressed finish. Begin with natural element like pine branches and berries. Monsoon jar make great candle holder in this design. Fill them with tea lights or a small candle, then wrap them with a burlap or twine. Add accent like mini pine trees, wooden ornaments, or even cinnamon sticks to enhance the rustic feel. For an extra cozy touch, sprinkle in fake snow or some fairy lights for a soft wintry glow. So if you are going for something a bit more luxurious, try an elegant and glamorous key centerpieces. To start, pick a tray with a metallic finish. Gold, silver, even mirrored surfaces work great here. Instead of greenery, opt for a base of white flowers such as hydrangeas or roses. Add a mix of metallic ornaments, thick silver and gold balls, or glitter accent like stars or snowflakes. Candles are key for creating that warm, glowing ambiance. Consider using tall candlesticks or glass for a sophisticated look. To finish, add touches of sparkle with glittered bronze or crystal accent. This design is perfect for a formal Christmas dinner. For those who love clean lines and a minimalist aesthetic, a modern tray centerpiece is the perfect choice. Select a sleek, simple tray, something in white, black, or metallic. Keep the color plate natural with white, gray, and metallic like silver or chrome. Start by placing a few statement candles. Choose very heights of for dimension, add some geometric or metallic ornaments to give the tray a modern edge. For a bit of greenery, consider a few spring or olive branches put, but keep it minimal. Less is more with these style. Focus on clean, uncluttered design to create an element modern holiday centerpieces. Looking for something fun, whimsical tray centerpieces will definitely bring a playful holiday spirit to your table. Start with a brightly colored tray, red, green, or even a platinum tray work great. For the base, use a mix of artificial snow, shiny tinsel, or colorful garland, and add fun eye-catching element like oversized candle cans, small Christmas gnomes, or even mini Christmas village houses. You can also include novelty ornaments like gingerbread man or something like colorful figurines of snowmen to complete the look, and battery power fairy lights to give it a magical twinkling effects. This design is perfect for families or anyone who loves the fun side of Christmas. So for more unnatural, earthy feel and nature inspired trick, his centerpiece is a beautiful option. Start with the wooden or wicker strip to create a natural base. Thank you for joining us today. We hope these Christmas tree centerpieces ideas have inspired you to create a beautiful focal point for your holiday decoration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Christmas decoration tips in your project. Wishing you a joyful and festive holiday season, and I hope so you like this video, and share this video with your friends and with your family members. Take care, be happy, Allah Hafiz, guys.